going in circles too. You guys are dipshits. Come on, guys, we're 2 against 2.
Oh my gosh. We have my baby, we have Bo right there, and we have Lulu.
And double F's.
And then they heard me. Hi. Hi. Hi, you. Hi, Chloe. Hi, Lulu.
Hi, Eva.
Yeah, hi, Eva. Forgot your name for a second. The puppies were doing like a circle. It was cute. Hi, you, Chloe. How's your Chloe puppy? Hi, Lulu. Hi, Chloe. Oh. Hi, Chloe. Such a good baby. Such a good little baby. Ouch. Dude. Bad Bo. That was my foot. That was my foot. What are you doing? Are you trying to eat my phone? You trying to eat my phone, Lulu? Ouch. Okay, puppies. Oh. Come on, Brownie. Come on, Brownie, Brownie, Brownie. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. We know you don't like that.
Hi, Chloe. 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 This time, remember, calls up and push. Push. Hey. Oh, almost.
That's your little brother, Brownie.
Yay, puppy climbing. Yay. I'm totally a bad influence. I'm teaching them how to climb.
There's a little Bo. There's a little Bobo puppy, huh? You're so cute. You're such a cute little puppy.
Knows how to climb. Now,
Yes, you are.
Might be
You're so
more of
cute.
an escape artist because that's the only dog that's managed to figure out on its own how to climb up the furniture.
There's Lily trying to reach the other dog.
What are you doing?
Why do you always have Chloe? Is she like your love bug?
Yes. Oh, but she's freaking out right now. What? What? What are you doing?
Whoa.
Go get him.
She looks back like, see ya.
Or like, is this okay to do?
Hi, Chloe.
Ruggers.
Hi, Chloe, puppy.
Your
Hi,
bow
Chloe,
now.
puppy.
Bow. Bow.
Hi, Chloe, baby.
Come here, Bow. Bow. Get rugby.
Oh, hi.
Just answer to anything.
Hi, Lulu. Hi, Lulu. What are you doing?
Bruiser, what are you doing?
Lulu.
Bow.
Lulu. Hi, there you are. That's a little Chloe girl.
Bow.
You're so pretty. Yeah, whatever. Oh. There's Bobo. Bo. Bo, puppy. Bo. And there's my unnamed dog. What do you want? What do you want, Lola? Lulu? Lola. Lulu. Hi, baby boo.
It's not.
What?
No, he doesn't.
You think he likes Bruiser? Fathead. He's a fatty. He's a fatty. So that's Bo and Lulu. What do you say, Brady? Still afraid of the puppies? Still afraid of the puppies?
What did I teach you to do, Lulu? Arms in, push up. Your are these out? Push up. My bad influence, Michelle.
Is that Chloe over there? Yeah, that's Chloe and Lulu.
I'm teaching these puppies how to climb. Such bad.
There's a Chloe. Hello.
Puppies, come here. Hello.
Wow, that just makes them all come. That is Bo, right?
Mm-hmm.
You can tell by his fur.
Stop licking me with your puppy breath.
So we're taking 4 of these puppies.
We're